This video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to concatenate rows with the same ID. So this is the input value, and after performing the query operation, we need to get the output like this. So now you can see 10, 10, 10. So this here 10, that's our duplicate. So 10 Oracle is there, 10 PostgreSQL is there, 10 is SQL is there. After performing this here, you can see Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL, that's come there. So next is 20 Informatica and HDSQL. That's coming to the one place. And 30 is there. So 30 is now PLSQL, then DB2 and Databricks. That's coming to the another place. And here this is separating with the column values with a comma. So let's perform here the query operation. So writing there select a statement. So selecting first ID. And after that, let's separate with a comma. Use here list or tag function. So we can easily achieve the output when apply here list tags function. So here this is the ready-made that's come there. So this place the here column name is now applying list tag on this column 1. So let's give here the name is column 1, and here going to separate this all with the this all concatenated with the comma. Okay, so we need to give here comma within group by and order by making go on this ID. So let's make the order by ID. So ID should be in order wise. And after that, the next is let's give here the table name. So from table underscore EMP. So this is my name of the table that I'm using, table underscore EMP. After that, let's make here group by ID. So with the help of this query, we can here we can concatenate the values. Okay, so this all those things that's come there. So in place of this, let's give you alias call. So this is here we can concatenate rows with the same ID. So here 10 that's concatenated, or 10 or here column 1 that's all concatenated values, 20 is concatenated, 30 is also concatenated. So if you want, then you can give here a space also. No need to give here. Let's give a space. Then column value that concatenated with the space. If I execute here, you can see this all concatenated with the space. Okay. So Oracle, Postgre, and this all that's come there. Okay. So this is the most simplest way we can concatenate rows with the same ID. So this is the important interview questions that ask so many times, how to do the concatenation of the rows with the same ID. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.